Alright, you can see the DVR has been mounted here in the back and all the wires are ran. We've got to tie wrap them and clean them up. We've got our monitor hooked up to the DVR. It's in the off position right now. We've got some wires coming across here, and this is the microphone. The microphone goes in through a 3/8 inch hole right here, and then the microphone is down inside of it. Can you see it down in there? It's kind of like sticking out just a little bit. That's the audio. That is an option right now. The holes are silicone closed in both locations. GPS went right through the back compartment, and the GPS ended up coming. Let's get this guy flipped back up. The GPS ended up mounting right here on the side of the box. Can you see it right there? Kind of zooming in on it. It's right there next to the light. Okay, pretty simple. Sticks on with double sticky tape. Real simple and easy to do.